I think it's been a great experience for them. The ones that have come in have been very excited about the program. And once they started working with the torches, cutting, and then started welding, they just really got into it. They seem to be real excited. They want to go to work. I have two of the students went to work. One is working over here in the shipyard, the Port of Toledo shipyard. And the other one went to Guam, of all places. And that individual, he went over there. They taught him how to weld pipe, which was great. And he just took his weld test last week for the Navy and became certified. So now he's working in the shipyard in Guam with the Navy on the Navy ships. That's really amazing, and I'm very proud of him. I'm proud of both of the ones who went to work. I'm proud of all of these guys. They came in here, they didn't know how to strike an arc. They knew nothing about welding, nothing. And I think it's a really good program. I think you got a great resource. I think that this program here is going to be the best of any welding program on the coast. In fact, I think this program will hold up to any of them at any of the other community colleges in Oregon. I retired from Portland Community College in 2018 after 18 years teaching, and I heard that they were going to start a welding program down here at the coast. So when I was down here one weekend, I went to the campus and said, hey, I would be interested in helping you guys start this up if you're interested. And that's kind of how we got started. I'm trying to set a foundation here so that it can be built on, and the program can expand with more students, and hopefully be able to supply the employers down here with workforce that lives down here.
Okay. My name's Hunter. I started welding because I love working with my hands, and I do not ever want to sit in an office all day. I'm from Newport, Oregon. So I started last year during my junior year of high school, before all the corona stuff and all that.
Yeah.
I think it'll help me out a lot in the future, like getting a job, and I've learned a lot with the welding.
My son and I, he moved in with me about 1.5 years ago, and we started this program together. And my son, I'd been working the odd jobs, restaurants, head chef, but never really found anything that he liked. So he joined me in this program, and he took it. And after that, through connections that I had through friends, he is now working in Guam. But he was the one that was able to show the proficiency of welding. And a lot of that, I have to really admit, was because of Mike in this program. My son has taken to this, loves it, and now I understand that he can take this job anywhere in the world. So from the smallest job at a workshop to underwater welding, you can do it all depending on how much you want to put into it. And long story short, I'm very proud of my son.
That's awesome.
He is amazing. And I'll show you.
This program is very, very expensive. The equipment is very expensive. Our steel that we have over here, we have to purchase that. I bought 3 sheets, 4 feet by 8 feet, and I had to pay $1,500 for those. And we're just going to cut them up and use them. So we accept donations. They're very much appreciated for our program. Our equipment is expensive. We use a lot of welding rod, welding wire, grinding wheels. We use a lot of consumables, and it is very expensive. I'm trying to contact local shops in the valley and down here to get donations of scrap metal to help fund the program.
Well, hey, thank you very much, Hunter. We appreciate it. Go Cubs.
Good times.